everyone, it's Professor Brain here again. Now you'll notice I'm on my own. I thought we'd get our song done now while Grandma Brain's on a bike ride. Yeah, she's on a bike ride so she doesn't cause havoc. Now this is a very active song, so you've got to keep your bodies moving, and it's... Oh, Grandma, you're back. Oh, she's back, everyone. Okay, Grandma, do you want to join in with the song? Yeah, I thought you would. All right, come on then. It's quite active though, okay? So you've got to get your body moving. Right, are we ready, everyone? Join in, please. Ready? Ready? Grandma. Let's march. Oh, we love exercise and moving to the beat. The stretching with our arms up high and stepping with our feet. A dancing special moves as everybody sings a song, keeping fit as we sing along. And bend low, bending low and stretching high now. Bending low and stretching high now. Bending low and stretching high now. Keeping fit as we sing along. We love exercise and moving to the beat. Stretching with our arms up high and stepping with our feet. A dancing special moves as everybody sings a song, keeping fit as we sing along. Gonna go walk forwards, walking forwards, walking backwards. Walking forwards, walking backwards. Walking forwards, walking backwards. Keeping fit as we sing along. We love exercise and moving to the beat. Stretching with our arms up high and stepping with our feet. Dancing special moves as everybody sings a song, keeping fit as we sing along. To the left and to the right now. To the left and to the right now. To the left and to the right now. Keeping fit as we sing along. We love exercise and moving to the beat. Stretching with our arms up high and stepping with our feet. A dancing special moves as everybody sings a song, keeping fit as we sing along. Jump a quarter, turn then wiggle. Jump a quarter, turn then wiggle. Jump a quarter, turn then wiggle. Keeping fit as we sing along. We love exercise and moving to the beat. Stretching with our arms up high and stepping with our feet. Dancing special moves as everybody sings a song, keeping fit as we sing along. Be a monkey in the mirror. Be a monkey in the mirror. Be a monkey in the mirror. Keeping fit as we sing along. Right. Well, what are you doing, Grandma? Oh, Grandma? Where have you got all this energy from? Do you know, I think doing all this exercise and these videos has done you the world of good. Grandma, go that way and do some laps of the garden while I stop it. Okay, time for our recap of our digraphs and trigraphs so far. Sh. Ch. Th or th. Ng. E. A. A. Oi. O. Ow. Or. R. Now our trigraphs. I. Air. Ear. And this is our new one for today. Are we ready? This one is your. Can you say your? What's on my shoulder? What's on my nose? What's on my knee? What's on my chin? What's on my tongue? Yaw. Right, now because it's quite a tricky sound today, I thought I could put the sound into the machine and the machine can give us some words with yaw in and we can read them together to start off with. Okay, so let's program our amazing machine. Put it in there. Beep. Let's have a look what it gives us. Oh, good, a pile of yaw words. Are we ready to sound them out? They've got the sound buttons on already. Okay, are we ready? K, yaw, cure, cure. If there is a cure for an illness, it's great. Cure. Okay. P, yaw, pure, pure, like pure orange juice. Yummy. Oh, this one's a smelly word. Are we ready for this one? Manure, manure, manure. That's horse poo. Manure. Ready? Mixture, mixture, mixture. A mixture of something. Last one. Picture, picture. Like when you draw a picture. Well done, super reading. Now then, I thought we'd have a go at an activity that was a little bit easier in that the machine will do some of the work for us and you've just got to have a go at guessing what the words are. So try and remember some of those words that we've just had, and if you want to write them down you can do. Okay, now you'll notice I've got 5 words written down here, but all the letters are all mixed up and they are all those your words we've just read. So I thought we could put one at a time into the machine, press the button and the machine will pop out the word that it is and you've got to guess. So have a look at this first one here. We've got an a k and an e. I wonder which your word that was. Let's take the letters, pop them in the machine and see what word comes out. Are we ready? Here we go. What word's going to come out? What word is it? Oh, have you guessed? Have you written down your guess? Cure. Cure. That's right. Cure. Wonderful. Let's put it on there with some blue tack. Cure. Okay. Okay, next one. Are we ready? We've got an an a p and an e. Oh, which your word was that? Let's try. Put it in the machine. Which one is it? You written it down? Pure, pure. If you didn't get it, write it down now. Pure. Go. Right, third one. We've got n, a, o, and an e. Oh, it's a longer word. That's a tricky one. I wonder which your word it was. Let's pop it into the machine and see. There we go. Beep. Let's have a look. You guessed right. Manure. Manure. There's that smelly word again. Manure. Write it down if you haven't already. Right, what's this one? Oh, it's got a x in it. An I, a t, e, o, and a Right, let's try. Put it in the machine. You have a guess. Which your word was it? Did you guess right? Mixed. Your mixture. A mixture. Right, a mixture. Let's put it there. Write it down if you haven't already. So you should have a list of your words now. Last one, we've got a k, I, p, e, t, and a o. Let's see if our amazing machine can do its magic again. Pop them in there. Comes out. Our last one. P, I, c, t, yo, picture. Picture. A picture. Fantastic. Right, let's put our sound buttons on. And you can do that at home too. Make sure you're writing our your words out to help you remember them. Your, cure. Your, pure. Your, manure. Ixt, your mixture, mixture. Ict, your picture, picture. Right, it is a tricky sound, your, but have a go at writing them down for me. Now, your task is a handwriting task, really. I'd like you to write our 5 your words down 4 times each, remembering your nice tall letters and your neat handwriting and your letter formation. I know you're really, really good at that. Now then, I think we better go and see what Grandma's up to in the garden, do you?